How to set up a sleep timer on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up a sleep timer on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to set up a sleep timer on Spotify, first you want to go ahead and open up Spotify, and then you can simply log into your account, right? Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and simply play the particular album that you wish to listen to. Now I'll just play it real quick. Now once you have played it, what you want to do is you want to open up the page, right, that you're listening to, and then you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down, and you should be able to see the option that says sleep timer. You can see it on the screen. You want to tap on it, then you can set the sleep timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and end of track as well. Now similarly, if you are listening to podcast, so I'll just head into podcast section here and I'll just play a podcast here real quick. And once you play the podcast, you want to open up that particular page, and here too you can see the timer option directly at the bottom right corner of the screen above the share icon. You can simply tap on there and you can set the sleep timer. So this way you can set a sleep timer on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.